Unraveling Idioms, in a Snit Demystified. Hello, English enthusiasts and language learners around the world. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might hear in everyday conversations, in a snit. Have you ever found yourself puzzled by this quirky expression? Well, you're not alone. Stay tuned as we break down what it means, how to use it, and some interesting alternatives to spice up your English. Let's get started. Imagine you're observing a friend who suddenly gets upset over a minor inconvenience. They're irritable, maybe even a bit sulky. This is where the phrase, in a snit, comes into play. It's an informal idiom that describes someone who is in a state of agitation or irritation, typically over something relatively trivial. To put it simply, if someone is in a snit, they are not in the best of moods. It's a temporary annoyance, and often, the phrase is used in a somewhat playful or light-hearted manner to describe the person's mood. Curious where this phrase comes from? The term, snit, has been around for a while. It's believed to derive from variants of German or Dutch words that relate to fits of anger. Over time, the English language adopted it, molding it into the idiomatic expression we know today. Understanding the origin helps you appreciate why it's used in certain contexts. When someone says they're in a snit, it's almost like they're acknowledging that their irritation might be seen as a bit exaggerated or unreasonable. Now, let's see how to naturally use in a snit in conversation. Here are a few examples. She's been in a snit ever since she misplaced her phone this morning. Don't mind him, he's just in a snit because he missed the start of the movie. I was in a snit for a while after the game, but I'm over it now. Notice how each example relates to a momentary and specific cause of irritation. This phrase is perfect for those instances when someone is overreacting just a little to life's small hiccups. To expand your linguistic palette, here are some synonyms and related phrases you might also enjoy. In a huff. This is a great alternative, meaning in a mood of sulking or silent anger. In a bad mood, a more general term that doesn't quite capture the trivial nature of the irritation but is widely understood. Upset. This is more neutral and can be used in various contexts, ranging from slight to severe irritation. Bent out of shape. Another playful way to describe someone taking offense or getting overly upset about something small. Feel free to use these interchangeably with in a snit to add variety to your conversations. There you have it, a complete breakdown of the idiom, in a snit. Now you can confidently add this expression to your English vocabulary and understand it when it pops up in dialogues or readings. Remember, learning a language is all about discovering its unique phrases and nuances. We hope this video has been insightful and added a bit of fun to your English learning journey. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.